दोस्तों आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग पार्ट थर्ड इंग्लिश ऑनर्स के पेपर 5 में जो यूनिट थर्ड है मर्डर इन द कैथेड्रल, इसके बारे में फुल्ली डिटेल देखेंगे और पढ़ेंगे और समझेंगे। दोस्तों आप इस वीडियो को समझने का कोशिश कीजिएगा इस नॉवेल को, क्योंकि दोस्तों मैं हिंदी में डिस्कस नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि टाइम नहीं होता दोस्तों। इसमें बहुत सारे पेजेस हैं दोस्तों, तो इसके बारे में मैं पढ़ के आपको सुना देता हूँ और आप इसको समझने का कोशिश कीजिएगा। तो डिस्कस द थीम डिस्क्राइब्स इन द ड्रामा मर्डर इन द कैथेड्रल रिटन बाय टी.एस. एलियट, और what does T.S. Eliot want to say through the drama Murder in the Cathedral? Introduction. Murder in the Cathedral is a famous drama written by T.S. Eliot 1888 to 1965, यानी या born ये death. In the modern English literature, T.S. Eliot is known as the one of the towering literary figure. T.S. Eliot was a wonderful poet, matchless dramatist, veteran essayist, and a perfect critic. His work like The Wonderland, The Function of Criticism, and The Murder in the Cathedral. The Murder in the Cathedral, the function of the criticism are enough to prove that the power of his pen. It is also to be noted that the T.S. Eliot was awarded Nobel Prize in the year of 1948 for his immortal work, The Wasteland. The theme of the drama. In this present drama, T.S. Eliot has a glorified martyrdom, that is to say, the glorification of the martyrdom at the nucleus of the drama. Apart from this main theme, T.S. Eliot has highlighted following sub-themes also. First number, a martyr never dies. He or she set up a strong tradition in society. Second, B number, in all the circumstances of life, one should be guided by the call of one's soul. Next friend, आते हैं हम लोग. A wise person invents his time and energy for the welfare and the well-being for the people of the society or our world. In today's society, our honest person had to die, whereas the dishonest people became in the rulers. A person who work for a mission with the view of uplift humanity becomes the source of inspiration of the people of other. Central ideas behind the drama. Murder in the Cathedral is a modern words drama. That is to say, the modern words drama in the English has been written in the form of the poetry. Prior to be present the title of the drama, its previous title was The Fear in the Way. T.S. Eliot knowingly chose the poetry as the medium of the drama. This was because he was written as in a very serious subject for the martyrdom. Had he written this drama in the prose form, it would not have been possible for his critic as he has exercised through this modern verse drama. As far as the title of this drama is concerned, it was a suggestion him to do so. It is noteworthy that Thomas Browne was one of his close friends. Murder in the Cathedral is a modern verse drama which highlights the spiritual bankruptcy, moral degradation of the modern man. Truly, this drama, T.S. Eliot has pinpointed that the material prosperity has its limit, and after certain period, a spiritual upliftment in the life became necessary because he has absence of the value of morality. There is nothing but hollowness in the modern man's life without morality. Man's life is like a bird having no wings. Keep in the view, T.S. Eliot has described the tussle between the King Henry II and Thomas Becket. Thomas Becket has become the Archbishop of the state only due to the great support from the King Henry. King Henry was very much impressed with the Thomas Becket. Here, it is to be kept in mind that the Thomas Becket and King Henry were close friends. King Henry were very much impressed with the Thomas Becket. King Henry thought that the Thomas Becket would help in the coronation of his son. In fact, the King Henry's intention was the capture of the power of the kingdom as well as the power of church. Strange are the way of life. Thomas Becket refused the act support of the as wise wishes of the King Henry. In the place of showing his faithfulness towards King Henry, he shows his loyalty towards the subject or the people of the kingdom. Thomas Becket acted as per as the called of his soil, and for this as a punishment he was punished from the kingdom by the Henry। दोस्तों आप समझते चलेंगे इस बात को। और नेक्स्ट फ्रेंड आते हैं in the central idea behind this drama centers around this nagged truth that the unnecessary and the uncontrolled thirst for modern prosperity leaves an individual. Now here the theme of this drama can be analyzed on the following levels: historical level, political level, spiritual level. It was George Orwell who suggested T.S. Eliot to write a drama on the theme of martyrdom. T.S. Eliot has requested as his friend started writing drama using the historical fact which have been utilized by T.S. Eliot at 12th century. It is to be noted that the Thomas Becket was the Archbishop of the Caen from of the 1162 to 1170. King Henry II got him murdered through a plan. He made his plan white with for the tempers. Thus the murder in the cathedral is modern world drama, whereas the character of Thomas Becket has been glorified by the T.S. Eliot. If we analyze third drama, दोस्तों आपको दिख नहीं रहा होगा इसलिए सॉरी माफ़ी चाहते हैं, लेकिन हम आपको सही कर देते हैं। दोस्तों आप देख सकते हैं ड्रामा द पॉलिटिकल लेवल। वी कम टू लर्न दैट इट इज़ अ ड्रामा ऑफ द tussle between the executive and the legislative. King Henry represents the executive, whereas the Thomas Becket stands for the legislative. The king wanted to have the more and more power. He wanted to usurp of the power of the legislative also. Thomas Becket through that the king would आप सही है दोस्तों, king would become the autocrat and the despotic if the acted according to the advice of the king. Thomas Becket was the man of soil. The king told him to help him in the connection with the coronation of the son. Thomas Becket refused it do so because his heart did not allow him. He was God-fearing man, and whom in the interact of the people of the kingdom he was more important than the interest of the king's son. As king tempered him to walk as per as he is wiser, but he chose the path of the sacrifices in the place of himself interest or self-security. At last he sacrifices his life on the altar for the welfare and the well-being for the people of society. The present drama, if analyzed from the spiritual points of view, present iron before the real readers. What the dramatists want to show that is that a person who is selfless, a person who is honest, a person who is follow a path of the righteousness gets murdered. Death is giving as a gift to him. Secondly, this drama is highlighted as how a person who sacrifices his life for the welfare of other became the source of the inspiration of the people coming generation through generation. Thomas Becket, death, the symbolic of death is symbolic of the ideas of the protection of the interests of the people, common men and the society. Murder in the cathedral portrays as the hypocrisy and the hollowness of the contemporary society where values and morality are orchid at the every effort. Next, a murder in the cathedral is the wake up call for the people of today's society to safeguard humanity from the clutch of मटेरियलिज्म। तो दोस्तों ये फिनिश हुआ। दोस्तों आप इसको एक बार धीरे से पढ़ेंगे, सुनेंगे, समझने का कोशिश करेंगे दोस्तों, तो आपको बहुत ही हेल्प करेगा एग्जाम के व्यू से। दोस्तों इसमें थोड़ी बहुत रिटन में कुछ गड़बड़ी हो सकती है, उसके लिए माफ़ी चाहते हैं दोस्तों, लेकिन आपके लिए मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाया है दोस्तों। तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा दोस्तों तो ज़रूर लाइक कीजिए दोस्तों, क्योंकि लाइक के बिना वीडियो बनाने में अच्छा नहीं लगता दोस्तों। और सब्सक्राइब कर ले चैनल को दोस्तों, ताकि हमेशा आपको नया नोटिफिकेशन जब भी मैं वीडियो डालूँ तो आपको मिलता रहे दोस्तों। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे। थैंक यू।